Hi, this is Miss Bubbleson, and right now we're going to talk about rounding. Now, all the kids from 3rd grade till now have talked about rounding, but now we have a couple of different steps, and we're going to be looking at specific place value with it. So as you know, if it's 0 to 4, it decreases. 5 or more, you let it increase. And a lot of what kids are saying is 5 or above, give it a shove. 4 or less, take a rest. And I'm going to explain that in just a minute. So the steps. Underline the digit in the rounding place. 2. Look at the digit to the right. Box it in. They can box or they can circle, whichever they're comfortable with. So number 3. The number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 increases the digit to the left. Number 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, let it rest or decrease. So as you can see, there is an example right here, but I'm going to get out a pen and I'm going to do one right now with you. So let's do one. So you can see these examples here, 3,266 and 52 hundredths. But we want to look at the tenths place. So I'm going to underline my 5 and box in my 2. So since 2 is less than 4, that means my number here decreases. So that's where it goes. I'm going to skip this one because it's the exact same problem. So let's do one down here. So the example, let's have my pen work here. Come on. Here we go. Okay. So example 3. Okay. If we have 45,678 and 9/10, okay? So what we're going to do is I want to look at the ones place. So I'm going to write to the ones, and I'm going to underline the 8 because that's the ones place. Okay? I'm also going to circle the 9, or you can box it in, whichever you're comfortable with. As long as they box or circle it, I'm absolutely fine. So now I'm going to repeat the rhyme. 5 and above, give it a shove. 4 or less, let it rest. Okay, so since this is 5 and above, I'm going to give it a shove up. But since it's a 9, okay, that means that I'm shoving this digit here up. So it's going to be shoved to a 9, and this turns into a 0. And everything else to the left, it stays the same. This is a hard concept, so take your time with your kids if you can, and your students, just to take it one step at a time and have them actually comprehend the concept.